Hi everyone, my name is Robin Lewis. I've been using these Isotunes Free for 2 days now, and I wanted to give you my initial thoughts and impressions. Before getting too far into it, I just want to mention that TimberCon did send these to me as part of a promotion. Going forward, they're going to be stocking Isotunes products, so if you're interested in these Isotunes Free Earbuds or any of the Isotunes range, head over to their website or check them out in store. So overall, I'm incredibly happy with this product. If I was to sum it up and give the conclusion right in the beginning, I'd say that they work really well and they do what they do in a great way. But having said that, there are a couple of caveats. There's some areas that they really shine and some other areas where not so much. So we'll get into that now. One thing that I'm loving is being able to just walk over, pick them up, pull the buds out, plug them in, and now they're automatically connected to my phone and I can start using them. But I will say the initial pairing process, it wasn't as easy as I was expecting. You don't pair the two of them together. You pair the one to your phone and then they talk to each other. It's a little bit weird like that. It did take me a couple of tries to get right, but now that I've got it set up, it just works. Having used all of my machines, I've been able to get a really good idea of what a noise reduction rating of 22 does, and everything has been fine. Belt sander, bandsaw, jointer, all good. This guy is a bit loud. As soon as I turn on the thicknesser, the volume isn't painful, but I can no longer hear the music in my ears. Speaking of music, the audio quality is okay, a bit low in the treble for my take, but these are definitely designed with PPE in mind. What I do like though is the fact that you've got all of this control right here on the earbuds. So on this side you've got volume up and down, which my Apple AirPods Pro don't have. I would love that. And on the right hand side you can start and stop calls and skip forward and back of tracks. Now having that functionality when your phone or whatever you're transmitting from is on the other side of the workshop, being able to continue working with all that control up here is just so handy. These have got noise cancellation for when you're on a call. So what that means is in a call it's going to be reducing all of that continuous noise out of the call, so on the other end the person's gonna be able to hear you a bit more clearly. So where that becomes very handy is I'm in the workshop, I'm busy working, and a call comes through. I can answer it directly on these, and instead of just having to let that call go to voicemail, going outside and retaking the call, because I know that if I was to answer it in here, the person wouldn't be able to hear anything. At least being able to take that call and go outside. On the way outside, I can still be saying to the person, hang on, I'm going outside, I'll be with you in a second. I can still do that because it's able to manage that noise so much better. So you're never gonna be able to work in a loud workshop taking calls. That's just impractical, but it does give you that freedom of movement, again, because they're right here in your ear. So you can take that call, hold on, I'll be with you in a second, I'm heading outside, as either the machines wind down or you just leave them running and you can still get that in. Up until now, my daily driver in terms of ear protection have been over-ear defenders, and comparing them against the Isotunes Free, it's pretty evident that the over-ears are going to be superior. They've got better mass, they can create a seal over your ear. It's pretty much a given that they will be better. But where these come into play is the convenience. A good example, I go outside and mow my lawn, I put on my cap, and now if I've got a band over the top, it works, but it's just not as comfortable. I'd rather not have that there. Or I'm in the workshop and I want to put on my respirator. The band is coming over and I've got to worry about these straps. Eye protection, same thing again. Band coming over. These are all things that with earbuds you just don't worry about. They just go into your ears, disappear, and you can work without even knowing that they're there. So in a workshop like this, where you're not shooting guns, hopefully, the need to have that super high protection, personally, I don't believe is there. But the convenience that you get with these earbuds is so handy. So I would choose these over the over-ears pretty much any day of the week now. So then, in conclusion, I'm very happy to have had the opportunity to test these. I will be using them going forward. For the couple of minor inconveniences here and there, the pros completely outweigh the cons. So once again, a very big thank you to TimberCon for sending these through. If you're interested in the Isotunes Free or any of the other Isotunes products, you can head over to TimberCon's website or check them out in store. My name is Robin Lewis. Thank you once again, everyone, and I'll see you in the next video.